I thought I'd make a video on how I sometimes vacuum my pool where there's so much stuff in it that it clogs up my filter, to do it the regular way through the filter. This way I can get the big stuff out without having to backwash my filter every 10 minutes. First thing I do, it's going to be hard to do one-handed here, is hook up my vacuum head. Stick it down in the water. And feed the whole hose down there. I need to get a little clamp that I have over here. I'll show you what I do with that in a minute. See, there's a little bit of rust from my saltwater pool. People wonder about that. Maybe I'll make a video showing that. But this little piece came out. Mess with that later. So feed the whole hose down into the water so you can get it all filled up with water. Keep feeding it in there. You can see water come out the top, you know it's full, right? Now, keep it underwater. Bring it over here. It's a little tricky part, especially holding the phone. Let me set the phone down somewhere here. Try to do this. Okay, and then kind of block the end and quickly throw it over the edge of the pool down below the water line. No, it's not. We'll do it again. Try it again here. What the hell? There it goes. Now use this to hold it in place. Let's pump it out. You're gonna lose some water doing it this way, but it's easier than stopping it. Unclog the filter all the time. I have to run the vacuum over this bigger stuff. I usually get the real big stuff with the net skimmer. And then do this. but it gets most of it, and it doesn't. You don't worry about clogging up anything. I probably lose a few hundred gallons, a couple hundred gallons of water, but it's real sunny out. I don't know. I can't see the screen very well. I hope you're getting all this. I have the leaf master too, so if there's a lot of leaves like in the fall, I can use that first. I have a video on using that. That works pretty slick when there's a lot of leaves on the bottom of the pool. But we got all these trees right here, so we get a lot of leaves to deal with. But that's how it works. It's still working, still pumping. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Got a couple of dozen other pool videos. Take a look at them. Bye.